All right, so for this one, we have the Rosaire A. de Gagne, I think I'm saying that right, unloading windmill parts from South Korea at Buffalo's Gateway Metroport main dock. So I've never been to this area to look for a Saltie before, so I was unfamiliar with the area at first. After poking around for a while, and with the aid of Google Maps, I found this little access road. This road was sketchy as hell, and it weaved its way through all these old abandoned steel mills in the Buffalo area. And then came the birds. As I finally pulled up to the ship, I was greeted by at least 500 seagulls flocking there by the dock. I've never seen this many birds in one spot in my entire life. It was actually insane. So I figured they're seagulls. They'll just get scared and fly away as soon as I go within like 50 feet of them. So I walk up, and the things aren't budging. They're actually starting to come towards me and making these like horrible screeching sounds, which you'll hear throughout the rest of the video. And then I realize there are little hatchlings everywhere, just waddling around in between the grass. They're probably the cutest things I've ever seen, but I did not want to mess with them and have the gulls attack me. So I ended up probably walking a little less than a quarter mile down the road and finally came to a nice open field. I hope you enjoy these clips of the De Gagne.